Alright, beautiful people, welcome to another exciting and impacting session, monetizing your UGC content beyond branding. If you are meeting me for the very first time, I am your host, Egwon. Brands aren't your only paycheck. If you think brand deals are the only way to make money with your content, you're already leaving thousands of dollars on the table. 2025 is the year of UGC creators cashing out without relying on brands sending you free products for exposure. Well, today I'm going to show you how to unlock multiple streams of income that most creators don't even know exist. No brand deals, no manager, just pure hustle. You're about to learn exactly how it works. Like and subscribe. We are talking affiliate income, UGC licensing, subscription models, marketplaces, and how TikTok and Instagram have evolved into money printing machine for creators who played smart. By the end of this session, you would have a clear blueprint to turn your UGC into consistent cash flow, even if you have less than 5,000 followers. So first, let's start with unlocking the potentials of UGC. Brands don't just want polished influencers content anymore. They want authenticity, real, raw, relatable content made by people like you. In 2024, $11 billion was spent on UGC campaigns. 63% of consumers trust UGC over brand ads. That's because Nigerians don't buy because you run ads. Nigerians buy from Nigerians. A skincare startup grew by 300% using customers' videos instead of influencers. Your UGC isn't just content, it's currency. The more you involve your audience with authentic content, the more trust and loyalty you build. And loyalty equals revenue. You don't need a million followers, you need strategy. And these three revenue streams are paying creators right now. Three untraditional ways to monetize UGC. 1. Affiliate marketing. Forget links. Sell your UGC template. I know creators that make up to $14K teaching others how to film authentic product clip. Pro tip, you can bundle your best performing UGC into a hook kit and sell it on Gumroad. 2. UGC marketplaces. That's passive income. Platforms like Fiverr and Motion pays $50 to $500 per clip for your raw footage. There are other sites like Trend.io, Below, and Joint Brands. They pay creators for raw video content, and you don't even need to post this content on your own account. And 3. Subscription-based UGC. You can charge brands up to $500 per month for access to your exclusive content library. People will pay for behind the scenes content they can't get anywhere else. Why beg for brand deals when you can build your own audience who pays you directly? At this moment, I want you to comment UGCRICH if you've ever sold content leveraging TikTok and Instagram. TikTok challenges and trends aren't just for views, they are traffic funnels. Smart creators attach affiliate links, shop features, and monetizable calls to action. Not just that, you can also use TikTok Shop to get paid when users recreate your videos. For Instagram, there are shoppable reels and live shopping features. Creators are selling over 50 units in one IG live session. Even if you are small, partnering with other micro creators can multiply your reach and your profit. With YouTube Shorts, you can sell your B-roll packs to small businesses. At this point, you should be thinking, could your last post be a product? Comment yes or no. By the way, this is just one piece of the monetization puzzle. By next week, I'm going live with the secret blueprint to turning UGC into six-figure business in 2025. If you want to be the first in line for that session, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell, because I promise you, this is how creators are retiring their 9-to-5s now.
You've probably heard people talking about faceless YouTube channels, but Let's be real, most of the advice out there is either confusing or incomplete. That's why I'm inviting you to a free live class where I will be breaking it all down for you. How to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel step by step. How to use AI to generate unlimited high quality content effortlessly. And why you don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to start making money. In fact, you can start earning from your very first upload. I won't just throw random information at you. I will give you the exact strategy you need to launch successfully. And if you're serious about turning this into a real business, I will show you how to go even deeper in my 7 days faceless YouTube challenge, where we focus on how and get you fully set up. Seats are limited. Don't miss out. Click the link to reserve your spot now.
Let's get back into it. Building an engaged audience. UGC thrives when the audience feels part of the story. Think of Mr. Beast level challenge scaled down for your niche. Pro tips for community buildings: comments, shout out, user tags, polls, and Q&A features. Incentives like exclusive reels or behind the scenes clips. Don't get sold. If you create content for a brand, clarify usage rights. Are they buying ad rights for 6 months or for life? Privacy and disclosure. FTC compliance, affiliate disclosures, and privacy rules when using user-generated clips. Protect your back with these 3 rules. 1. Watermark everything. Use Canva's batch editor. 2. Get signed released free template from my community. And 3. Disclose properly. FTC compliance, hashtag UGC, hashtag paid cola. The truth is, UGC isn't just a content trend, it's a revenue machine, and you don't need millions of followers or fancy equipment to cash in. The only question is, are you going to start today or wait until someone else dominates your niche? Comment below one way you are going to start monetizing your content this month. And if you're ready for the next level strategies, hit subscribe and join me live for the next session. It's free. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. And if you are totally new in the game and you need some guidance, hit me up. But first, subscribe. Your homework this week: 1. Audit your content. Which one could brand buy? 2. Pick one revenue stream to test: affiliate, template, or subscription. 3. Pitch 3 brands this week. And if you need a free template for brand pitch, join my community. UGC isn't just content, it's a business. Start treating it like one.